In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your website multilingual using Wix. This process is an excellent way to reach a broader audience by catering to users who speak different languages. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open Wix Editor or Studio in your Chrome browser. Using Chrome is beneficial because it's stable and compatible with Wix's intricate functionalities. Once you're logged in and have your project open, navigate to the Wix Multilingual feature. You can find it in your Wix dashboard. This tool is a gem for anyone looking to expand their website's reach, and it's remarkably user-friendly. Next, you want to add the languages you want your website to support. Consider the regions you are targeting and the languages spoken by your potential audience. The Wix Multilingual setup will guide you through available options, and you can choose from a wide variety of languages to include on your site. Once you've set the additional languages, you have two main options for translating your site content. You can translate the content manually, which offers you complete control over every nuance and expression, ensuring the translation accurately reflects your brand's tone and message. Alternatively, you can use Wix's built-in translation tools, which are designed to streamline the process by offering automatic translations. These can be a great starting point, after which you can refine and tweak the translations as needed for better accuracy and cultural relevance. As you move forward, it's important to consider the design and placement of your language switcher. This small yet crucial component allows visitors to easily select their preferred language. Wix gives you the flexibility to customize the switcher's appearance so that it aligns seamlessly with your website's overall aesthetic. Whether you'd like it as a drop-down menu or a simple button, make sure it's intuitive and accessible, enhancing user experience rather than detracting from your website's design. Finally, once your translations and switcher are all set up and you're satisfied with everything, it's time to save your progress and hit that publish button. Publishing your multilingual site allows it to go live for users to see and interact with. Remember, before you go live, take some time to preview your website. It's important to ensure that all the translations appear correctly and that the website functions smoothly across all the different languages. And there you have it. Your website is now ready to reach a global audience, ensuring that no matter where your visitors are from, they can engage with your content in a language that feels comfortable and natural to them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.